Hey to each and everyone, my name is Enrique Ignacio, and in this video, me and my group mates will tackle about integrated market communication. And we're excited to share with you guys some insights into integrated market communication, a crucial strategy for success in today's marketing landscape. So let's start off knowing how the integrated market communication started. Integrated market communication, or IMC, it is a marketing concept of the 1990s which we thought to be essential for survival in 21st century. So, in this advent of integration, encourage marketers to survey and appreciate all the components of marketing. So, which means integrated marketing communication is a powerful concept that emerged in the 1990s, and it's still very relevant for today na ginagamit pa rin natin siya ngayon. So, let's start off. Meaning, ano nga ba yung integrated market communication? Integrated market communication, ano siya? It's a management concept that is designed to make all aspect of marketing communication such as advertising, public relation, and direct marketing work together as a unified force rather than isolation. So in other words, it is about a theory and a set of business practices that facilitates consistent messaging across different channels and produce a unified brand experience for customer. Let's talk about the advantage and disadvantage of integrated marketing communication in business involved. Here are the example of advantage of integrated marketing communication. So the advantage is it will help in building brand value. It will also improve customer engagement. It will improve cost effective in market, and it is successfully and tested mode of communication, and it is also useful for domestic and international worldwide launches. So that is the advantage. Now let's look about the disadvantage of integrated marketing communication. So the disadvantage of marketing communication is other customized message can be shown for all markets, and range of modes and medium is limited only, and in some instances unnecessary coverage can be bound to happen, like deviation from message or something, and potential for cognitive gain retention is possible but restricted. It is restricted and slow, and the limitation in medium, too many features and benefit cannot be conveyed. That is the disadvantage of marketing communication. Now let's go to the components of integrated market communication. So when we talk about components, these are necessary because they work together to create a cohesive and effective marketing strategy. Each components na mababanggit dito plays a unique role in reaching your target audience, building brand awareness, and driving sales. So the media components of integrated market communication. Number one, we have the advertising. Advertising, it is paid communication through various media like TV, radio, or other digital platforms. So parang ito na yung parang ini-endorse sa mga TV yung mga product. Next, we have the publicity. Publicity is the process of gaining public attention for a person, product, or organization. These components is a powerful tool for building brand awareness. Next, we have the public relation. It's about building and maintaining positive relationship with stakeholders and customer and also media. Next, we have the sales promotion. This is a marketing strategy to boost the sales in short term or long term. Next, we have the personal selling. When you say personal selling, personal selling, it includes person to person contact with customer.
Next po is packaging. Well-designed packaging can influence consumer decision, conveying product quality and type, and enticing potential buyers. Internet. Websites serve as a powerful tool for delivering information, entertainment, and advertising, creating new marketing opportunities. Sponsorship. Sponsorship increase awareness of a company or product, build loyalty with a specific target audience, help differentiate a product from its competitor, provide merchandising opportunities, demonstrate commitment to a community or ethnic group. Next is trade shows and exhibition. These events allow companies to showcase products, build brand awareness, network with potential clients, and create a consistent brand image through pre-event, on-site, and post-event marketing efforts. Here's of the importance of integrated marketing communication. Number one is to increase sales. IMC ensures consistent and cohesive messaging across all marketing channels, which can drive consumer engagement and ultimately boost sales. Next is to provide information. It helps deliver clear and informative message to the target audience, increasing awareness about the brand, product, or services. Enhance marketing effectiveness. By aligning all marketing efforts, IMC optimizes resource use, ensuring a stronger impact and a better return or investment. Next is more specialized media. IMC allows businesses to tap into more specific and target media platforms, ensuring they reach the right audience effectively. And the last is to inform the intermediaries. It ensures that all stakeholders, such as distributors or retailers, have the necessary product knowledge and consistent messaging to support sales.
8 steps involving market communication. Step 1 is identify target audience. So you need to identify if sino yung target audience and para kanina yung message. Step 2, set communication objectives. You need to set communication and define the goals of the seller that they want to achieve. Step 3, determine the message. You need to develop a clear and engaging message. In putting the message together, the communicator should focus more on message content. Step 4, select communication channels. There are two types of communication channels, which is the personal communication and non-personal communication channels. So you need to choose the right platforms to reach the audience. Step 5, determine budget. This is one of the most important decisions of integrated market communication process. The effective integrated market communication depends upon the budget set for communication mix. So, you need to set a budget based on the campaign scope. Step 6, decide on promotion mix. Advertise, sales promotions, and other communications tools. Step 7, implement the promotion mix. So, the seller has to select the right media in order to put across the promotion message. Step 8, follow up. So, here are the advertiser has to review the performance in terms of sales and purchase. So, here are the process of communication. First, we have the sender. Sender is the person who initiates the message, and message is the content or information being communicated. And we have a transmission. Transmission is the method through which the message is sent. And recipient. Recipient is the person who receives the message. And we have the receiver. The receiver is the individual interpreting the message. And last, we have the feedback. Feedback is the response or reaction from the receiver to the sender. And now, we have 4 types of communication. First is nonverbal communication. It involves body language, facial expressions, and gestures to convey meaning. Next is oral communication. Verbal communication, which is the most complete form, allowing for instant exchange of ideas. Next is written communication. It involves conveying messages through written text, such as letters or emails. And last is we have the interpersonal communication. Interpersonal communication is the face-to-face, real-time conversations that allows immediate feedback and interaction. Summary. The importance of integrated market communication has been recognized and understood worldwide as a contributor to business directly and in enhancing consumer relations. With the advent of multimedia technologies and online presence, the world communication is growing at lightning speed, and one feels the need to be competitive and yet sustainable. Integrated market communication is a combination of media of tools which effectively addresses the need for wide exposure and publicity as today we do. Not restrict communication to buyers alone, but try to reach out as a many prospective consumers we can. Integrated market communication transfers the process of physical buying to educating the consumers and involving them in the process of selection. Focuses on instead of selling the product, features it focuses on the need in an understand and wide format. And that's all. Thank you.